There's something going on I think right now at Munro & Associates. We're making a prototype using, it's called Additive Manufacturing right now. I have, there are whole factories doing this. This isn't new. It's been around for quite some time, and it's very robust. So the factories that I know that are cranking this stuff out are mostly for defense or for products that are out of production. But yeah, we actually are in the market right now for a very large additive manufacturing product. It will be, it makes products that are 6 feet tall and have a footprint of about, I think it's 2.5, well, around 2.5 feet. So square on the bottom. So this is like for missile cones and things like that. Yeah, this is a very, very big deal. But there are whole conferences on this right now. We've been encouraged to get into it by Raytheon and Lockheed Martin. We would rather manufacture a component rather than just have a CAD drawing. It makes an instant impact on customers. So you will find too, most of the people who actually have the money or making the decisions really can't figure out, even in a 3D model, what they're looking at. But if you put something in their hands, something physical, it works instantly better. So this kind of stuff, I would say that we've got 5 or 6 of our newer engineers. They own their own machines, and some of them work from home, some of them have them here at Munro & Associates, but that is the next generation of manufacturing as far as I'm concerned. And that's why I'm getting into it. In the past I wouldn't, because the cost is too high, but now cost is, for 100 grand you can buy a pretty amazing machine, something that'll really make a significant difference, something that you can actually make money with. So it's a big deal. From a manufacturing quality standpoint, it's much better. In the 80s, most things were, by today's standards, be crap, garbage. But it's much smaller. Our footprint in manufacturing has shrunk. I don't have a real number, but off the top of my head, I would guess that manufacturing in North America has shrunk by at least 60%. At least 60% of the stuff is gone, and it probably will never come back, not in its old form anyway. But the survivors from the different impact points, watershed points, like 2001 with the Twin Towers thing, 2008 with the banks melting down, and then the reluctance for investment in the U.S. from 2008 until late last year. You're really seeing the survivors being really strong, very agile, focused on quality, focused on manufacturing, and really focused on growth. As a matter of fact, we're obviously a survivor. At one time on this whole street, there was only one factory with lights on. Now we just sold this building because we need to move into a bigger place, and the building sold before it went on the market. That's kind of like the difference that we're seeing in Michigan, where prior to this I couldn't get my mortgage renewed. So things are changing, but they're smaller. The products that we used to make are gone and probably will never come back. And but there are new products every day, and those new products are the things that we're going to probably excel at, because the United States is the most resilient of all countries.